Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. It's New Year's Day and we're doing crab legs. Let's go! The trained eye of the astute will notice that these are frozen. That is normal. Most crab legs will come to you frozen. This orange color that you get on crab legs and shrimp, that means that it's already cooked. You don't really engage in cookery when you're dealing with these, so you've got some options now. The best way to do it is going to be to boil some water and then get your steamer basket out and get to steaming. If that's not an option for you for some reason, you can grill them, you can bake them, you can do what my old man would do and boil them. And you've got so many options. You could probably even microwave these, but please, God, don't microwave these. Oh my God, these are snow crab legs. They're expensive. Don't do that. Also, I imagine they'd be rubbery. Anyway, let's go! These get cooked pretty much right when they are caught or directly afterwards. And you just want a big enough container to put them in. Don't do that, that's bad. So, you know, you're playing Tetris with these really, especially if they're this frozen. There we go. And now you can see the flaw of doing it this way, right? Not a lot of space. This is why my dad used to get his biggest pot out and boil them. If you're doing a lot more than this, do it in batches. Otherwise, just get what you can fit in there. Steam them for 5 to 10 minutes. While those are cooking and or warming, we're going to make a quick butter sauce. Now you're going to want a high quality butter. Get something nice because, you know, you're spending money on crap. You're going to need a lemon. You're going to need some garlic. If you want red pepper flakes, get those too. I'm juicing the lemon into a cup. It just makes it easier to add the lemon juice, and it makes sure that if I do somehow miss a seed, I don't put it into the butter. Then I'm going to press up my garlic. And I like a lot of pressed garlic in this just because that's the point, right? I've also got some red pepper flake that we'll throw in at the end. Getting our saucepan. Drop in your block of big beautiful butter. Moving it around is not necessary, but it is encouraged. Make the butter dance. Oh yeah. If you did this right, the crabs will be done before the butter sauce. That's why I said you can do this in batches. It's absolutely okay to do it in batches. If you're like me and you buy your butter unsalted, take this moment to add a pinch of salt. I like a big pinch of salt because it's a lot of butter. Now, I kind of eyeball the lemon juice. I'm not using all of it. That's pretty good. Okay, it's starting to bubble, so I'm going to add my garlic. And I'm going to cut my heat down a little bit because I'm not trying to make ghee and I'm not trying to make brown butter. We're just going to let that go until the garlic turns translucent. Or until it appears crispy. If it appears crispy, you have deep fried the garlic. That's a whoopsie doodle, but it's still very tasty. And a little bit of red pepper flakes for heat. If you don't like spice, don't put them in. If you don't like garlic, don't put it in. Now, if you got somebody fancy coming over, you can run this through a sieve. I'm not gonna. I actually like the garlic and the red pepper flakes in it. That way it gets on the food. But it's not really necessary. You have imparted flavors into the sauce. I don't need to taste these to know that they're good. Happy New Year. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.